So I'm going to show you a digital Nomad interior in a T5. Start off with this lovely 50-litre fridge. Even has a cool box in it. It's brilliant for ice creams while you're away. Up here, I love this one. You've got a big drawer that pulls out and your cooker hidden away. You can make a coffee here in the morning. You can even cook there if you like. Or what I do, when I'm making a big meal, I put it up there. And you've got a lovely chopping board. Now here, I want to show you where you put your water tanks. You've got two accesses, that from inside. This one when you're outside, so it's super easy. You can get two 19-litre water tanks in there. Come on, show you in. We've got the sink here with a lovely shower. Come in more. Down here is where you're going to put your clothes. And you can still get at this when the bed is out. That's one of my pet peeves in bad van design, that one. Down here, you've got even more storage, backpacks, spare water, whatever you don't need when you're in bed mode is what I think. Then under here, the bed, you've got so much storage under the bed. Personally, this is where I keep all of the bedding when the bed's in like this. And now I'm going to show you what it's like in bed mode. That's how easy it is to make the bed.